She's an East End girl, which isn't going down too well in Chatswin. Catch up with this week's Suburgatory in 30 minutes after Marshall and Lily get a teeny bit excited. It's How I Met Your Mother. New right guard solution. Smooth. Caring. Irresistible. Classic US Entertainment sponsored by Right Guard Shower Plus.
It was the fall of 2009, and I was a professor now. So I decided to change my look a little bit, and people were noticing.